Do you need to operate the shift lock on your 10th generation Toyota Corolla? Then check out this video. Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 10th generation Toyota Corolla, and this is actually a sedan model from 2008. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to operate the shift lock release on the automatic gearbox. Now the shift lock is there as a safety feature when there's not a driver in the driver's position with a foot securely on the brake. You cannot move the shifter from the park position and move it into the reverse, neutral or drive gears, which is really handy if you've got kids or someone clumsy in the car. Now they build in this feature, however there is sometimes you need to override it, such as when you want to get the car towed or if you've got a fault with the shift lock itself. So they build in an override, which on this car is actually a button. You can see that saying shift lock there. So all you're going to do is you're going to push the button in whilst moving the shifter, and it moves it down into any of the gears. So I've moved it into neutral position there because you might be wanting to tow the car, and then when you get the car back into position, just pop it back up into park and the shift lock is back on again until the time push that shift lock release in, and you can move it back into gear and then again back into park, and now you can't move it out again. Super simple video for you today. If you've got any questions, please leave me a comment down below. If it's been helpful, please also give me a thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.